So hello everyone, my name is Sudanjan. I'm pursuing my BTech degree in Computer Science branch from Gyan Ganga Institute of Technology Science Jabalpur. So this is the brief overview of my project I have made, a hash hub. So I have used React for front end and Express Node for backend, and for database I have used MongoDB. And let me give you the whole brief description about what this project meant to be and how this will help engineering student to enhance their profile. So this is the simple login form, as you can see that. And if you are not a registered user, just kindly register from here. And I'm already a registered user, so I will just log in. So this is a simple login form. This is the home page. As you can see that this is a cool UI for animation. I have used AOS library, and this is the about us, where you will see what are our motive of building this project. This is the whole slider section, which I have for which I have used the carousel library, and this is a contact us form. So you can just print your name if you have any queries about anything. I will just do this, and you just type a message. Great work. Okay, I will just send it, and it will just save your query in the database. Okay, now let's come to the explore section. So what we have provided is first is in explore section is first is tools, and the second is fields. So in tools we have provided the free tools for engineering student. By using them they can just improve their profile. First tool is resume maker. So this is the best projects I have ever worked on and I have ever made. So this is the UI of the resume maker. On the left hand side you can see that you have to just input the fields, and on the right hand you will get a dynamic output. So here I will just give the random text like this. There are 6 of experience fields, so I will recommend you to just put 3. The education section. Okay, so I guess it is enough. The next is skill section. You can just add your skill from here, and if you want to delete some of them, so you can just delete over here only. It will reflect in the output section. Okay, the next is project section. So you just have to add a project name, then you can just give your deployed or repository link here, and just technology you have used here, and just description of what you have done in this project. The achievement section. So you can just I'm just giving the random text over here only. So here also you can just delete if you don't want any achievement to be shown in the resume. So there is also theme section, where you can just select the theme you wanted, and you can just print this resume. Okay, as you can see that you can print this resume from here. You can just click the save button, and it will save your resume in the local downloads folder. Okay, the next tool is smart PDF. So in lockdown period, many students got assignments from colleges that they have to write something, and they have to scan the PDF and submit over to institution. So for this you can just use this tool. Just type what you wanted to submit in your particular PDF, and you can add this page, and you just have to click the button get my PDF, and you will get your PDF done here. We have provided different 6 font style. You can just change the color of the font. You can just give the bold action to your font, and you can just click, you can select the page style also. We have two types of page, that is lined page and blank page. So if I click to blank page, as you can see that it is blank page. Okay, the next tool which I have provided is a repository readme generator. So using this tool you can just create your um, repository readme md file from here, and it is the preview section of this, and from here you will get your code done. Okay, the next tool I have made is GitHub profile readme generator. So using this tool you can generate your GitHub profile readme md. So you can just type your name here or anything you want to. Okay, and we have provided very much like various features, so you can just try this out, and from this section you can just copy the code and just paste this code in your profile readme. The next is certificate generator. So certificate generator is simply like many students are in community, like they have to conduct an event, and after event they have to circulate the certificate to participants. So they can just use this generator to just generate participant certificate, and they can easily circulate them. Okay, so this is the field section. So this section will provide you with the respective fields information, like if we have open source, if we click to the learn more, so you will be getting the information, a brief information about that respective field. Like in this scenario we have open source, so you will get the description about what is open source, what are the components of open source, what are the perks and benefits of open source contribution, prerequisite to open source, and the programs of open source for students, like GSOC, MLH fellowship, etc. So respectively we have all the fields, like for now we have two more fields, that is machine learning and second is AI. On addition we have blog section also. So in this section what we have provided is the blogs that is being published by the logged user. Like on this scenario I am Vedant Jain, so I have published 3 blogs here. So as you can see that there is how to master web development, so it is the blog page section. So how to master web development, it is the heading, the user, the name of the publisher, the likes that this blog earned, and these are the tags, the cover image, and this is the whole markdown string, so this is all about the blog section, and you can just publish your blog by clicking this. So you just have to, I will just give the random input here, the heading and tag, like you can just add tags and all that stuff. Okay, and the main feature is this is the markdown input fields. Like if you will just type if you want to type a heading, so you just have to hashtag it once. Like if you want to give us subheading, so you have to just type double hashtag. If you want to give some link over here, you just have to do this step, and in preview section you will see the preview. As you can see that this is a clickable link, and for now I will just publish this blog, and as you can see that the blog is successfully published. And if you will continue, and here you can see that the latest blog is being published by Vedant Jain, the heading and all the things I have written in the previous slides. Okay, and if in case if you want to delete this blog, so you just have to click on the user profile section, and you will just redirect to this page, and you can just delete this particular blog by clicking delete and OK. and as you can see that the magic happened, the blog is being deleted. So this is all about my project HashHub. If you like this project, kindly star my projects, and if you want to contribute this project, you can just go to contribute section and just contribute to this particular section. It is an initiative, it is an open source, so you can freely contribute to this particular repository. Thank you so much.